dahil hindi ngayon uuwi si Aki for lunch, hindi ko kailangan maghanda ng Italian food. Yung lulutuin ko ngayon para sa lunch namin ni Mishka, spaghetti. Meron akong pizza sauce pero wala akong tomato sauce or ketchup na ginagamit namin dito. So, gagawa na lang ako ng aking fresh tomato sauce. Marami kaming tomatoes dito eh. Meron kasi akong spaghetti dito. Ito sana yung lulutuin ko nung birthday ni Mishka pero hindi natuloy. So, ngayon natin lutuin. I have here my tomatoes. I-blanch muna natin siya and then i-blender tsaka igisa.
Your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, mine, mine.
Handa ko na sana yung mga ingredients na gagamitin ko sa pagluluto ng spaghetti. Tapos yung ending pala, wala pala kaming sibuyas. Garlic, wala din kami. So, iniisip ko sibuyas lang gagamitin ko, hindi na garlic. Yan pala yung ending, pati sibuyas, wala. So, kailangan kong lumabas para bumili ng sibuyas. Kunin ko lang muna yung pasta. Ito na to. I am back. Nasanay na ako guys na kahit hotdog lang yung spaghetti ko, okay na ako. Basta meron lang hotdog and chicken cubes. Hindi masarap din naman yung lasa niya.
It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing
Mamaya ko na ilalagay yung spaghetti sauce.
worries fade to black. When you look at me like that.
So now I'm going to add my pasta sauce.
Only mommy.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
No, my turn.
Hold this. Hold. Slow. Good job. One more. Good job. Uy! I forgot the cheese. I will add the cheese too. Kaya may iniisip talaga ako na kulang eh, hindi ko nalagay yung cheese pala.
And put it down. Open the fridge. Look, the fridge. Down there. Oh.
Ang sarap niya, in fairness. First time kong mag-try na fresh tomato talaga yung ginamit ko na sauce. Kasi palagi ketchup with pasta sauce. Sa susunod, meron akong idea. Ulitin ko na naman ito. Madali lang pala. Time to eat. Ito na yung aking spaghetti. Sa kabila yung aking rice, of course. Paboritong partner, rice. Diba? Carbs on carbs.
Eat. What? You're trying to eat it.
Yeah.
No, I more.
Oops, what did I say?
Thank you.
Welcome.
I want some one more.
One more. Oh, there's pink color, love. There is red and there's pink pili, oh. Ganda na kulay. Look at our salon tonight. It's open. Yung nilagay niya sa amin. Meron kaming ano. What is this? Tattoo? What is this, Mimi?
Tattoo.
Is it?
Yeah. Stay still.
Stay still.
Okay, baby. It's done. This is done.
Don't let it make it wow, nice.
Chalo, keep it.
It's nice.
Don't put any else.
Meron na
done.
kaming marka.
Thank you.
You put the same one.
Thank you. We both are same. Me and Mishka are
Mommy, now you put tattoo to me.
same. No, don't put it in your skin.
You're
baby.
same.
Baby, please.
Same
Don't put
color.
on your skin. Nice, not good.
Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. It's 12:02. Tanghali naman tayo nagsimula mag-vlog. But anyway, nagtatry ako ngayon ng yung trending ngayon na heatless curl. Hindi ko siya nabasa konti ng tubig. Ito muna tinatry ko, yung scarf lang gamit ko. Habang naghuhugas ako dito ng pinggan and then magluluto din ako ng para sa aming tanghalian, we'll see kung mag-curl talaga siya mamaya.
Jeremy sat on a blue box, read him some of my new poems. Delilah snapped the shutter on her new camera. We were frozen, old statues taking time for sweeter things in life. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know that we would give up. A day for building forts and trees, sing a song to the buzzing bees, hop on our bikes, head down to the store to buy candy, let it melt there on our tongues, laugh till we
Sunduin ko na si Mishka. It's already 1. Tanggalin ko lang ito. We'll see if nag-curl ba talaga siya. If effective ba or hindi. Kasi pag effective siya, so pwede natin gawin to, di ba? Always. Nag-curl naman siya kahit pa paano. Or siguro hindi ko lang talaga siya na lagay ng tama. Tingnan natin itong kabila kasi parang tight itong kabila. Yung sa kabila kasi parang loose nafe-feel ko na hindi siya ganun ka-tight. We'll see if ito nag-curl. Oh, diba? Nag-curl siya. Dapat pala medyo tight siya. Ang kabila kasi hindi. Loose siya. Nararamdaman ko kasi nag-move ito. Oh, diba? Heatless curl. Hindi madaling masira yung ating hair. Pero yung likod, hindi masyado. Yung sa unahan lang, guys. Kaya, magsundo muna ako ng anak. Tingnan natin if naubos yung kanyang baon. Hindi naubos. 4 na idli ito. So, mga 3 lang yung naubos niya. Kain tayo. You want soup?
Mommy, water, please. What's that? What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
No, it's empty. We're going to finish this. Slice, slice. Okay. You want fork?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Yummy. So big. Big bite. Medyo maluwang yung dito niya ba, yung off-shoulder na design. So, iniisip ko if tatahian ko siya ng konti. Maliit lang.
Delilah snapped the shutter on her new camera. We were frozen. Old statues taking time for sweeter things in life. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages.
Please like our channel. Subscribe.